In this video, I want to share a YouTube channel customization tip to help you get more leads for any business. It's really simple, but yet a lot of marketers don't do it. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time online marketer. I help people make more money. And YouTube marketing has been my favorite marketing strategy for years. In fact, when people join our team, one of the things they get is 18 training videos on YouTube marketing alone. Yeah, I'm big on YouTube. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content that you like. And then one last favor, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So a couple of days ago, I posted another video on customizing your YouTube channel. That time I was talking about the header or the banner. That's this section right here. And real quickly to recap, I think a good header or banner should have both your name and your picture for personal branding. I've included my tagline, helping you make more money faster. And then right on the header, I've also included the link to my website, www.makemorefaster.com. In today's video, I want to talk about customizing the About You section. And that's this piece right here. And again, it's got my tagline, helping you make more money faster to live your dream lifestyle. But check this out. It's also got both a clickable link and two more links so that right here from the channel page, before they've even watched a video, if people want, they can click on a link that takes them to my website. And by the way, if you are interested in a simple way to create a full-time income working as little as 30 minutes per day, I encourage you to check this out. But anyhow, in addition to that clickable link, there's also this link here that says two more links, and that takes you to what we call the About Me page. Let's talk about how to edit that for your channel. What you want to do is log into your YouTube account and then go to YouTube Studio. Give that just a second to load. And then what you want to do is scroll all the way down to customization and then come up here to the top where it says basic info. And then right here is where you'll start editing what will show up on what we call the About Me page. So I've written a little description. Here's what I've written. Helping you make more money faster to live your dream lifestyle. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My passion is teaching everyday people how to create time and money freedom. Check out my #1 pick for making money, www.makemorefaster.com. And then I've also told them about my blog. I said, connect with me at my financial freedom blog, www.joebarclay.com. And then to help with subscriptions, I said, subscribe now and let's complete your journey to time and money freedom together. And then this section down here is where you would put in the actual links that you want to use. Now you can put in as many as 5. The first one will be the link that will show up as the clickable link. So here's what I've got. The link that you saw already, makemorefaster.com. I've got a link to my free ebook, the Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint. And then I've also got a link to an additional income stream, the Simple $10 Business, easymoneypath.com. So that's how you would edit the About Me info on your channel. I hope this helps you. Feel free to reach out with questions at any time. I always enjoy sharing ideas with other marketers. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.